Hi guys. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Based on where you're watching us from and the time you get to watch this new video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Cindy. As you all know, this is a channel whereby you get to see videos from the other side of life, rural life or village life in Kenya, Africa. And welcome to today's video. Thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel. Please, if you are watching this video for the first time, or if you've been watching my videos and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I get to upload a new video. And please leave a comment, watch this video from beginning to the end. So guys, on today's video we get to explore our farmland and see what it looks like, because the last time we were here it was like 4 months ago, actually last year, December 2022. And welcome to today's video. So come with me guys and let's get to the video. Mamba. So guys, if you're watching this video up to this particular point, kindly tell us where you're watching this video from, and tell us where you're watching this video from, and tell us how you call guavas in your native language. Guys, you get to watch this video from Kenya, Africa, and we hope that this video will entertain you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, and let's continue walking and going down there. Guys, it's not easy, but we are trying. I'm sorry if the video shakes. This place is zippy, sloppy, so we are trying to go down there. You can see the river, so we are trying to go down there and see that river. These are my sisters. Udah, mana kau awak? Wow. So guys, thank you for watching my video from beginning to the end. Kindly tell us where you're watching this video from, and kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, turn on notification, and please leave a comment. Please, until the next video, bye.